Hello, my name is Rogelio and I'm going to talk about the basic start and stop circuit of a three-phase motor. Now, before we begin, I'm going to discuss a bit about the components that will be used. First is the power supply. This can be either direct current or alternate current depending on the component's needs. Next is the contactor. This is a type of switch that is used to control the electric motor. It consists of a coil and a set of contacts. When current is applied to the coil, a magnetic field is generated. This closes the contacts and allows the current to flow through the motor. This coil can be powered by either direct current or alternate, depending on the type of contactor that you have, obviously. Next, I'm going to talk about the push buttons. This is the normally open push button, which when pressed will allow the current to flow through it, and when released will stop the current from flowing through it. Now is the normally closed push button. This is the opposite from this one. When it is released or not pressed, it allows the current to flow through it, but when it is pressed, the current will flow right through. Then comes the overload relay. When if the motor ever overheats, this will protect it. As you can see, it has a normally closed and a normally open contact. When it overheats, it will activate and open this, and the current can no longer flow through the entirety of the circuit. Now we're going to talk about the circuit. As you can see, this red light indicates that the motor is stopped and there is no movement here. Now I'm going to push the start button. This will activate the contactor, which will itself activate an auxiliary contact. This auxiliary contact will allow the circuit to flow through it, allowing both the contactor and this green light to remain activated. Now, if we want to stop the motor, it is as simple as pressing the stop button. As you can see here, everything returns to its original state. Now, if there ever is an overload, we can see it here. This yellow light will activate, indicating us that there is something wrong with the motor, and we need to check that. That is the circuit itself. It is very simple, just a simple start and stop. Here I am doing the diagram physically. As you can see, we are following it on the laptop. There is the DC power supply because these contactors are direct current. There are the buttons and the lamps. As you can see right now, the red one is on, indicating that the motor is stopped. Now, to test if it really works, I will press the start button followed by the stop button, and it should do its function accordingly. I will also test the overload relay by starting it again and then pressing the test button that is present on the contactor. That will be all. Thanks for watching.